Guys, after a week and a half in the shipyard, we've got our barge back in the water and floating again. Preventative maintenance is key to our operation here. If we don't keep our stuff up, we're not going to be able to keep floating and get to your jobs. So glad everybody's been patient on waiting on us. Of course, not everybody is, but a lot of people are. But it just takes that little bit of effort to keep everything working properly so we can do your jobs. Guys, preventative maintenance time again. Everybody's fun thing to do. Got the barge out up on the jacks, brought it in, pressure washed it, knocked the barnacles off, the oysters off, hit it with the grinder, the needle beater. Now we put a little bit of OSPO on it, try to neutralize some of that rust, and we've gone back with an epoxy paint to prolong the life of this, hopefully. And we've got on the inside here, as you can see. We had to do the same thing, cleaned it out, pressure washed the whole inside, needle beat the inside, grinded it, vacuumed it out, washed it again, and got in there with a sprayer and resprayed it, coated it up real good. We like to try to take care of our tools and all that so it lasts us a long time and also shows in the work that we do. We take care of our tools and our equipment. We're obviously going to take care of the job that we're doing. Guys are putting some of the final touches with the logos on it now and getting that all free-handed. They do a good job. We got a stencil. We just kind of fill in the blanks on the stencil, but it looks good and it kind of sets us apart from everybody else out there on the water. If you got a DMC barge coming up to your job site, you know it's getting done correctly. Really proud of Chase on this project here. He's done several of these barges before and he knows what he's doing, taking a leadership role in this project along with Todd and the crew over there. They did an absolutely wonderful job getting this thing knocked out, put back in the water. Hey, if you guys like the channel and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, like, and if you've got a comment, please give me a comment in there and I'll try to get back to you just as soon as I can. I get a lot of emails and it's really hard to get those emails answered all the time, but I'll try to get them answered whenever I have a free chance. I'm always busy on the barge operating.